Here we go again, it's Bart here from Bodjabart. Been sidetracked once again, as in helping another young fella build a push cart at woodwork. So we've got to make the axle up for him. So I've got these old things that my good old mate Grant gave me. I remember I had a look at a box full of metal that he gave me. And so these pins here, I've got to turn them down to fit inside there, so we can run these wheels for the push cart. And then I've got to turn it down to fit inside there, inside this one here as well. So we've got to turn both ends down. So we'll get started on that, and we'll see how far we get. I'll just get into on the lathe here. So I'll have to move you across to the lathe. First things first, we better measure the size of the hole that we've got to turn it down to. Let's have a look. I've got all these bits of metal stuck on it. Right, down to 0. Yep, here we go. I managed to salvage these bearings. They're a bit rusty, but it's only for a push cart. We've got about 12.7. 12.73. Okay, 12.73. And I think I'll start with this one here with the big shoulder, and we'll see what we get this one down to. So we have 16, 9, oh, you might say 17 mil, and we've got to get it down to nearly 13 mil. Right, Chucky. Chucky and goggles. We'll have to thread the end as well. Right, we need to work out how long it's got to be, at least first. Yeah, at least 50 will do it. So that's 50 to go all the way through there, plus we've got to allow a thread. So we'll allow what? We got 50, so we'll go to 65. So what do we got out here? 65. Oh yeah, we might have enough there. We might just have enough. I think we might move them out a bit more. Okay, take that away. Up there, find the right tuning tool, which we have in here. Might have to go and sharpen that up, not sure yet. At the moment, we will see what happens. So we've got to rough it out. So first things first, we've got to get that down to 65. Yeah. Somewhere about there. Alright. Goggles. There we go. Yeah. Not exactly how I wanted it. That'll be alright. Alright. Okay. Did it on the other side. Just going to tap that in a bit. Yep. So that'll go in there, go in there, and there we go. Okay, we've got to turn that down. This little bit here, I don't know if you can see. Oh yeah, the little bit on the end here, we've got to turn that down to 10mm, so we can put a 10mm nut on it. Okay, that's what we'll do. Turn that down to 10mm, so we can thread it. Okay, here we go. Now what we're going to do is turn this down to fit in that piece of square that we got over there. Right. I've got this piece here, which is a tight fit, and there it's a perfect fit, so that's what we've got to get it down to, that size there, which is... raining here. Saturday morning, or Saturday afternoon now it is. 1586, so we got to get it down to 16mm. What are we at? We're at 18 and 18.2. Right, so we got a bit of work to do. It's not as tight as I wanted it to be. Damn it. It'll do. It will do. It'll do. Alright, let's get that out of there. Oh, it went down to 1550 instead of 16. It'll be fine. On to the next one. Same again. That'll do nicely. We'll smack that in there. Perfect. Right, I'll leave you with that. I've done 2, so I've just got to do 2 more and then thread them and it'll be done. Okay, we'll turn you off for now. Rightio, here we are, we're back. I've done everything. So we've got these here done. So we've got 4 of them. We've got these 2 like this, which will go on 1 axle. And then we've got these 2 like this. They've got bigger pieces here. So that's these here. And they've all got threads on the end of them. So we've got to do another. They fit in the axle, like so. We'll go in there like that. And we'll tighten up, hopefully. And they'll fit up the guts of this. I'll put up there, like so. And there we go. That'll be it. So we just got to mount those on the pieces of wood, sort out the distances. Yeah, I think I'll have to put a joiner in because this isn't quite long enough. So I've got this piece of metal in here and I'll put another square bit on there and weld it up. So we're going to do 2 like that, but that'll be it. So that'll be it for this one. So this is Bodjabart signing out. Catch you later. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.